Subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we are going to learn a new topic. The name of topic is subtraction word problem.
First, we will introduce unit and tens. Here is 12 number given. First, 110 marbles are here. Let's count. 110 means how many marbles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One sack, 10 marbles are given. 10 marbles means 110. And here 2 units are given, 1 and 2. We untying 110, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marbles. Here 1 is given. If we untie this 110, so here 10 marbles are given. Then after 10 side is 0 marble and unit side 10 and plus 2 12 marbles. So 12 units are here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means 110, 2 units. Means 0, 10, 12 units. Let's see another one example. Here 24 number is given and 2 necklace. Each necklace 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 and plus 10 is equal to 20. It means 2 tens. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 beads means 4 units. If we untying 110, so how many beads are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means 110 is remaining here and 110 we untie. So total here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bits. Means here 110 and here 14 units. It means 210, 4 units means 110, 14 units.
First read the sum. Raj invited 13 friends from his birthday party. 2 friends could not come. How many friends came for his birthday party? So first Raj invited how many friends? 13. And how many friends could not come? 2 friends. So, how many friends came for his birthday party? Let's see. First, draw the lines, unit and tens, then write the sum. First 13 friends and then we subtract 2. So, first we will see in units place. 3 subtract 2 is equal to 1. Now, come tens place. Here only one number is given and here nothing. So, 1 subtract 0 is equal to 1. Now, how many friends came for his birthday party? 11. Anand read 24 story books. Sagar read 18. How many more books did Anand read than Sagar? Anand read 24 story books and Sagar read 18 story books. Now let's see this sum with the help of tens and units. First 24, then 18. Now we will subtract. Now student, let's see first units place. Here 4 and below 8 number given. Can we take away 8 from 4? No. Why? Because 8 is more than 4. So, we borrow 110 from tens place. Now, here only one number is remaining. Now, first see subtract units place. 14 subtract 8 is equal to 6. Now tens place 1 subtract 1 is equal to 0. First read the sum. Sonu had 44 marbles. He lost 60 of them. How many does he still have? First, Sonu had how many marbles? 44. Then he lost how many marbles? 60. So, let's see the sum. First, write the sum here. 44 subtract 60. So, first we will see the units place. Here 6 is more than 4. Then what we do? Yes, one borrow from tens place. So 4 come upside and then we borrow 1 10. So here 14 and then here remaining 3 because 1 10 comes unit place. So 14 subtract 6 is equal to 8. Now tens place. 3 subtract 1 is equal to 2. So how many does he still have? How many marbles remaining? 28 marbles. Sumit had left 53 pages in the storybook. He finished reading 38 pages. How many are remaining? First, total pages 53 and Sumit read how many pages? 38. Now first write the sum. 53 subtract 38. Student, can we subtract 8 from 3? No, because 8 is more than 3. So we borrow 110. So here it comes 13 and here remaining 4. First we will start in units place. 13 subtract 8 is equal to 5. Now tens place. 4 subtract 3 is equal to 1. So how many are remaining? 15 pages. More than Shyam. So first John brought 30 chocolates and Shyam brought 28 chocolates. First write the sum. 30 subtract 28. So first see the units place. Can we subtract 8 from 0? No, because 8 is more than 0. So what we do here? We borrow 1 from tens place. So 3 subtract 1 come here. So here remaining 2. First do the units place. 10 subtract 8 is equal to 2. Now tens place 2 subtract 2 is equal to 0. So answer it comes 2. First read the sum. In a basket there are 51 rose flowers and 32 hibiscus, but how many are the hibiscus flowers less than the rose flowers? First 52 rose flowers, then 32 hibiscus flowers. Let's do this sum. First write 51, then after subtract 32. So can we subtract 2 from 1? No, because 2 is more than 1. So what we do? We borrow 1 from here, tens place. So here remaining 4. So first we will solve the units place. 11 subtract 2 is equal to 9. Now tens place. 4 subtract 3 is equal to 1. So less than rose flower, hibiscus flowers are 19. Raju had 48 marbles. He gave 90 marbles to his friend Rahi. How many are left with Raju? First 48 marbles for Raju and he gave 19 marbles to Rahi. Let's see this sum with the help of units and tens. First write 48, then subtract 90. So we will solve this sum. First, can we take away 9 from 8? No, because 9 is more than 8. So what we do? We will borrow 1 from here, 110. So here comes 3. And then first we will solve the units place. 18 subtract 9 is equal to 9. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So how many are left with Raju? 29 marbles. 3 bananas are remaining in the basket. Total 30 bananas in a basket. And Meena took 18 bananas. So First, we will write the sum here, 13 subtract 18. So student, can we take away 8 from 0? No, because 8 is more than 0. So we borrow 110 from 10's place. So here it comes 10 and here remaining 2. First we will solve the units place. 10 subtract 8 is equal to 2. Now 10's place 2 subtract 1 is equal to 1. So how many bananas are remaining in the basket? 12 bananas. Activity time. By drawing pictures, regroup the tens and units. Here 28 numbers are given. You all of you draw the pictures and regroups tens and units. Same the 33 number also do. Now homework time. Ajay has already given the feed of 30 of the 32 cows in the cow shed. How many cows are still to be fed? This sum you all of you solve with the help of unit and tens in your maths notebook. I hope you all of you enjoy this lesson very well. Thank you.